What would happen if you fell into a black hole? Would you be crushed, spaghettified, or maybe stretched across time itself? Let's find out. Simply, let's say you're falling in. At first, everything seems normal. Far from the black hole, the pull of gravity is weak. But as you get closer, strange things begin to happen. Your feet are closer to the black hole than your head. That means they feel a stronger pull. This difference stretches your body like spaghetti. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. Yes, really. Here's where things get weird. To someone watching from far away, you slow down and eventually freeze near the edge. But to you, time feels normal. You fall straight in. This is because gravity warps time itself. It's not science fiction, it's Einstein's relativity. Once you cross the event horizon, there's no turning back. All directions, even time, lead inward. There's no escape, no communication, and no known physics that can describe what happens next. Do you die instantly? In a small black hole? Yes. You'd be torn apart long before reaching the center. But in a supermassive black hole, like the one in the center of our galaxy, you might not even notice the event horizon. You'd fall in peacefully, until the very end. So, what happens after that? We don't know. Some theories say you're destroyed. Others suggest you enter a new universe. One thing's for sure. Black holes don't just pull in matter. They pull in imagination, curiosity, and questions we're still trying to answer. Thanks for watching. If you want more strange science explained simply, subscribe and explore with us.